Hi guys, welcome back to another gel polish manicure tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I apply my glitters into wet gel polish and just capping them off with a gel top coat. So yeah, I really hope you like it. It is a trial and error video and I had to cut a lot of different stuff out of here because everything was going wrong, but I really hope you enjoy. So you want to start off with clean nails, and I have to say that my nails were really beaten up. I've been cleaning with like some stuff that my nails really didn't like. I got stuck in the door with my thumb, so my thumbnail is all like crooked. I really just wanted to make one last tutorial with gel polishes on my long natural nails before I cut them down to another size. So after you have buffed up the nail slightly and made sure everything was like any debris was taken off with some pure alcohol, I just used some cleaner as well just to be sure there weren't any oils left on the nail plate. Then I am going in with my base coat, and you just want to cure that for a full minute as well, just applying a thin layer to all of the nails, making sure not to touch any of the skin of cuticle because you don't want to cure that. That really hurts and burns and you just don't want that. And the pointer finger actually still has that false tip on it because I broke my nail like really badly and I didn't want to shorten all of them back then, but it really is blended in with the natural nail really nicely and really pretty. It actually looks like my natural nail, which is kind of cool. But yeah, just apply your base coat and cure it for a full minute in LED. After that, I wanted to go in with a beautiful purple shade, which is called 250 Orchid Purple. And all of the gel polishes I am using, as well as the base and the top coat, are from the brand pinkgellac, which is such a nice brand. It is available at least in Europe, I know, and you can just order it online. Most of these shades are around 15 euros, so that is pretty affordable as well, and the bottles are pretty big. You get a lot of like bang for your buck, just to put it like that. But you just want to cure that first layer of color for a full minute, and I'm just going to apply a ton of different glitters to my nails. This was just me trying out how to apply loose glitter with gel polishes, and it is my first time trying, so bear with me. So to start off, I just made sure I had some of the glitters already like poured into the caps, and glitter was going everywhere when I recorded this video, and that's also one of the reasons why I had to cut a lot of different pieces from this video. So sorry if it's like a little bit snappy and we go on to the next nail really quickly, but you just want to add your second layer of color gel polish to your finger, and I just used an old like nail art brush to just scoop on some of that loose glitter and just sprinkling it onto the wet gel polish. I feel like this technique really works well for like the small finely milled loose glitter, and I just used my Crystal Katana knockoff to place some of the bigger glitters onto the nail, because if I would have dunked them on or like sprinkled them on with a brush as well, it would be just layers on top of layers and layers and layers, and I don't wanted that. I wanted it to be a little bit more sparse, but you will see as we go onto the other nails, I did apply a little bit more of that loose glitter to some of the other nails, such as the pinky and stuff like that. But yeah, it was just, as I said, a trial and error video. But once you have placed all of your glitter, you just want to cure that nail for a full minute. And after that, I already went in with the top coat, and this is just the Ultra Shine top coat. It doesn't have like a sticky layer or anything, so you can just cure it for a full minute and you are good to go. So after you have cured that, you are already done with that finger. You might apply a second thin layer of that top coat if not all of the bigger like loose glitter is fully encapsulated, because you don't want to have any like little stuff pointing up from the nail, because that might scratch yourself or somebody else and you don't want that. Then for the pointer finger, I am going in with another beautiful shade, and these are all from the Tropical Island collection, by the way, and this one is 249 Hot Plum. I just really couldn't decide on just one color, so I just took 3 like beautiful purpley pink shades from this collection. And you just want to make sure that you apply this as close to the cuticle as possible without touching the cuticle. Oh, and I'm sorry guys if my like voice is a little bit cracky. I just was like sick for about 4 days and my throat and my voice isn't like back to normal yet. I did went to work for like 3 days last week, or at least while I'm recording this video is I think scheduled for like a couple of weeks after this. But yeah, I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little bit weird and cracky. That's just because I've been sick recently and my voice isn't back to normal yet. But after you have applied that bright cocktail pink color to the middle finger, which is number 245 by the way, you want to go in with that same orchid purple we applied to the thumb, to the ring finger, and in with that hot plum color on the pinky, just like we did on the pointer finger. And make sure you don't have any flooding around the cuticle area or onto the skin before you cure it for a full minute. When you have cured all of your first base layers, I'm going to just do one fingernail at a time, just to make sure I don't have any like loose glitter flying around and it's just a big old mess. So I'm going in with my second color layer of that hot plum to the pointer finger, and I'm just going to dunk in some different kinds of glitter. You already saw all of the different glitters I am going to use, and I'm just going to sprinkle the finely milled ones with a little brush and picking up the bigger ones with my Crystal Katana knockoff. So the rest of this video will just be me applying a ton of loose glitter. So I'm just going to end this video already with my talking, because my skin, my voice is like all over the place and that's just really sucky. So I'm just going to add some music and already say goodbye to you guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, it is a trial and error and just me trying something out for the first time. My nails are a little bit like wonky and thin, and some have been stuck in like between a door, and I was going to cut them down after I wore this design for a full week. So yeah, sorry about that. My nails are just a little bit like lumpy, if you want to call it like that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and next time I will be back with shorter nails at a really pretty neutral and lace gel polish tutorial. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
it down.